You may have heard the advice that mercury should not be touched, but a few minutes of contact under controlled conditions is not harmful. It is regular exposure that is dangerous because it can accumulate in the body. Therefore, it is necessary to keep mercury levels in the bodies of fish under control. Mercury is a very interesting element. For example, you might not expect 4 milliliters of mercury to be heavy. However, while the same volume of water weighs only 2 grams, mercury is 13 times more dense than water, about 52 grams. Relativity is the reason why it is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature. Because mercury has a large atom, the innermost electrons spin very close to the nucleus, and their high speed makes the effects of relativity dominant. This causes the electrons to behave as if they were 20% heavier than normal. This causes the 2 electrons in the outer orbitals to converge inward, and this is why mercury behaves like a stable noble gas avoiding solidification.